Whether you are installing carpet, tile, epoxy, or any type of mortar overlay system, they all require a clean, sound base to bond to. Concrete prep tool will scour away dirt, debris, or anything that will impede you from achieving the correct surface profile. There are many benefits to using the concrete prep tool to profile old, worn concrete. The tool adapts to your own rotary cleaning equipment, such as automatic scrubbers or floor buffers. For do-it-yourselfers, this allows you to prep your own floors, eliminating the need to contract out your floor preparation. For professional flooring contractors, you can use standard 110-powered equipment, eliminating the need for special hookups such as 480-volt, 3-phase, 220 power, or generators. Running the tool wet allows you to have a dust-free preparation system. Our system will provide you the flexibility to prep your floor at your own pace, in smaller large sections at a time, avoiding costly shutdown time. Finally, using the concrete prep tool is simple and affordable for facilities and contractors. The tool does not require any special training to operate the system. Use your own cleaning machine to effectively prepare your own floor for coating. The simple solution for concrete surface preparation.